So I've been paddling for the last few days in the Ascend 128T kayak. It's a fishing kayak, and there are a ton of features built into this thing. First of all, it is either a sit or a stand kayak. It's super easy to pull yourself up with this handle that's built into it. It's got a padded deck platform that makes it easy to cast for fishing. Both sides have built-in accessory rails, so you can mount fish finders or cameras or any of your other electronics directly on it. And speaking of electronics, it has an integrated wiring system. No more splicing wires, it's all integrated into the system, multiple ports to be able to plug into throughout the entire boat. So speaking of fishing and electronics, this boat actually has 4 rod holders built into it, making it super customizable. I've just been using them straight out of the box and putting my rod into it, but you can put holders or different accessories as well. On the front of the boat, it's got this paddle keeper that also doubles to be able to slide your rods into so that they don't get broken. The seating on this seat is adjustable and super comfortable. Not only can you go up and down via the integrated different levels here, but the seat itself also swivels, and then you can adjust the back and forth. It's breathable air mesh and has padding on the back, super comfortable. So you can see that I'm using a dry storage bag on this boat, but the boat itself has a ton of built-in dry storage, both in the front and in the back.
I spent the week in the Ascend H10 kayak, and I've had an absolute blast in this thing. The idea with this particular model is that they wanted to create a fishing kayak that was also very nimble, that would give you more options for getting into smaller backwaters and things like that. Very maneuverable. At only 10 feet long and 55 pounds, it's really easy to manage. A comfortable seat, just like on all the Ascend kayaks. 6 different positions on the seat for me to move forward and backwards. Obviously the footrests slide all over the place as well. Probably one of my favorite things about the kayak throughout the week has been this generous storage on the side. I absolutely love these. One of these is basically a dry bag. There's a lot of space in here. We have a couple different pouches. The other one, also tons of space, not a dry bag. Open air, so you can put something that's wet in here. It's gonna allow it to kind of dry out and not get mildewy or anything like that. But the fact that these are right at the ready all the time makes fishing easy, or anything else you want to put in there. 2 rod holders right behind me. Plenty of tie downs in front and back if I want to bungee some gear on. I've been having an absolute blast in it. That's the Ascend H10.